Woo, what's up, AZ Legend Adventures? It's bass fishing day. Got my poles. We're gonna go hit the river. Alright, hiking through, Survivor Man style. Gotta go under some trees right here. Tuck your head. Huh?
It's super easy for us.
And the minion's behind me. Alright, let's go. Man, there's people everywhere today. Gosh, what happens when there's nice weather? I'm gonna have to go to my secret spots. But I can't bring the kiddos. Because it's a secret. Water is not bad at all. I thought it'd be a little bit colder, but it says Arizona heats up. I hit all the angles of the river here. I love the river because you never know what you're gonna get. Oh, yeah, baby! Fish on, fish on. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on. He's coming towards me. He's coming towards me. What do we got? What do we got? I think it's oh, it's a trout. I forgot there's trout here. All right, pull up trout. Going for a bass, but kind of trout. Bam, in the river. Where's my pliers? This little rainbow right here out of the birdie. All right, let's go back. Oh, there it goes. Woo! AZ Legend Adventures. Let's get a bass though. I want a bass. In order to do some river fishing, you gotta get in the river. I'll come to these rivers and all the time people will be like, there's no fish in the river. You should see all the fish I pull out of these rivers. In the smallest little spots where there's hardly any water, I'll be pulling fish out. But you can't be afraid to get in the water. Get in there, get your feet wet. That's part of the fun of this river fishing. That's why I got my little utility belt on. Everything's waterproof, so I can just jump in, dive in. Take the fish off right in the water. And it's Arizona, so it's hot. So staying in the water is part of the fun. That one, yeah, son. Right there. Woo! Oh, I dropped him! That was a bass though, little guy. Hit it just right here, 5 feet away from me. Alright, there we go. Little guy, not big, but they're still fun to reel in. We're gonna throw him back. We'll let him get big though. Shots where the big ones are.